Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can complete the lost treasure quest and fish it. So if you found the Captain Jack in the island and you found and talk to him, you need to finish the lost treasure quest where you need to find or loot 5 treasure chests. So here I'm going to show you how you can get the treasure chest. First, what you need to do is use the fishing radar in here and enable it like this, and then you can just go to the ocean until you found this treasure hunt. So you need to just use or put on your diving gear and go inside this treasure hunt. So let's go dive in here until you found this shipwreck, and there will be a treasure chest in here. At the bottom you need to just open it. So open the chest. Why I cannot open it? And here you got the reward. So I got the soul lantern. So that's basically it. That's how you can complete the lost treasure quest. So you just need to find 5 like this and make sure that you see the treasure in here. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.